Good morning, children. In continuation with chapter 1, physical world, let us summarize whatever we have done till now.
Assessment. Before proceeding further, let us know have you learned. Click true or false.
The electromagnetic force act between a pair of charges or poles. Let's try with true.
Very good.
Gravitational force is conservative force. It's true.
Very good.
Weak force is about 10 to the power of 25 times weaker than the gravitational force. It's false.
Very good.
Now let us summarize whatever we have done till let us start with
Did you know?
did you know?
In 1894, Lord Kelvin predicted that the radio has no future. He also predicted that heavier than air flying machines were impossible. Optical fiber was invented in 1966 by two British scientists called Charles Gow and George Hockham, working for the British company Standard Telecommunications. The very first projection of an image on a screen was made by a German priest. In 1646, Athanasius Kircher used a candle or oil lamp to project hand-painted images onto a white screen. 1 hour before, Alexander Graham Bell registered his patent for the telephone in 1876, Elisha Gray patented his design. After years of litigation, the patent went to Bell.
So these are the certain scientists and their contribution. You have to learn whatever the scientists have done in their life. You have to remember these things. Now let us summarize the chapter whatever we have done till now.
Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Science is a systematic way of acquiring knowledge about the surroundings by careful observations and experimentations over a period of time. Study of nature and natural phenomena put in an organized way in various subtopics is called physics. The macroscopic scale is the length scale on which objects or processes are of a size that is measurable and observable by the naked eye. The microscopic scale is the scale of size or length used to describe objects smaller than those can easily be seen by the naked eye and which require a lens or microscope to see them clearly. The gravitational force exists between any two objects in the universe. The electromagnetic force is between a pair of charges. The strong nuclear forces bind the protons and neutrons. The weak nuclear forces appear in certain interactions like beta decay. The physical quantities remain constant in time, are the conserved quantities of the nature.
This is a summary of the chapter. Let me introduce one more thing that you have to learn. Now, children, this is the major name of the scientist, and this is a major contribution and their discoveries, and there is a country of the origin. What you have to do it, you have to learn the name of the scientist and what is their major contribution or their discovery. This image maybe it's not clear here, but it is available on net because it is a part of the NCRT chapter. So you have to learn the name, that like the Archimedes, it is major contribution in the principle of buoyancy and the principle of leveler. Like Galileo, it is a law of inertia, and Newton's ka universal law of gravitation, law of motion, and so many things I have written here. So you have to learn all these scientists and their major contribution. Which scientists discover or which scientific give major contribution in the field of physics. This is only the scientist which is related to physics, neither the chemistry nor the any other science. So you have to be learn only those which are related to physics. So these type of question will come in your exam in your MCQ form. There is one more slide. This is a technology. What are the different technology and the scientific principle based on these technology? This is also you have to learn. This is totally on the physics only. We have taken only the physics one. So again, this image is also there in the NCRT also. So you have to learn these things from the chapter 1. Now this is the last topic of the chapter. I end up this chapter. Good day.